Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start right at the control panel, power the IFB on, and watch the display light up. Once done, place your finger on mode and start /pause together. Hold both for about 3 seconds to enter clock settings. You do this because many IFB models lock time changes behind a combined press to avoid accidental edits. Make sure the display now shows hours or a flashing time field. This confirms you're in the correct adjustment mode and ready to change hours first. You'll now change the hours. Press plus to increase or to decrease. Each press moves 1 hour, and holding the button speeds it up. Once the hour is correct, press mode to shift the cursor to minutes. IFB menus often separate those fields. Then use plus and again to set minutes precisely. Take a breath and fine-tune so the wash schedule aligns with your household timing. Because the washer uses internal scheduling, accurate minutes matter for delayed start and smart features to run as expected. You finish by saving your change. Press start/pause once or press mode until the panel stops flashing. That writes the time to memory. Once saved, run a quick 1-minute cycle or set a delayed start to verify the washer uses the new time. If the display reverts or time is wrong, power the machine off for 10 seconds, then try the sequence again. If issues persist, the control board may need a service check. Call IFB support or a qualified technician as your troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.